Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a quick and super handy trick that can save you tons of time, especially if you ever find yourself copying information from websites into a spreadsheet. I'm going to show you how to pull web data straight into Google Sheets in, honestly, about 5 seconds. No coding, no complicated tools, just using a simple built-in formula from Google Sheets itself. Whether you want to track sports scores, grab product lists, keep up with financial data, or just organize facts from the web, you'll be able to do it with just a few clicks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to automatically pull in tables or lists from just about any website right into your Google Sheet and keep them updated with almost no effort. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you'll want to make sure you're signed into your Google account. Usually, if you're on Gmail already, you're set. Now here comes an important part. Look in the top right corner of your Gmail window. You'll see a little square made up of 9 dots. That's Google's app launcher, sometimes called the waffle because, well, it sort of looks like one. If you've never used it before, don't worry. It's right between your profile picture and the bell icon for notifications. Go ahead and click that. A menu will pop up showing a whole bunch of Google services, Docs, Drive, Calendar, and a bunch more. You'll want to scroll around until you see the green icon with a spreadsheet grid. That's Google Sheets. Give that a tap. This will open up Google Sheets in a new tab, so you're ready to get started with your data work. If you don't see it right away, just scroll down. Sometimes it tries to hide from you. Now, once you're in Google Sheets, pick the cell where you want your web data to start showing up. This can be any cell, for example, A1 if you want it to fill from the very top left corner. Click into that cell, and here, where the magic happens, you're going to type in a special formula called IMPORTXML. Here, how it works. Type equals IMPORTHTML, open parenthesis, and then inside you'll have a few things. First, type the URL of the site you want to pull the data from in quotation marks. Next, you'll choose either table or list, again in quotes. This just tells Google what kind of data on the page you want. Is it a list like a set of items, or is it a table with rows and columns like stock prices or NBA statistics? And finally, the index number. The first table or list on the page is 1, the second is 2, and so on. So for example, if you wanted to grab the first table from a Wikipedia page, your formula might look like this. Equals IMPORTHTML https://n wikipedia org/wiki/list of countries by population United Nations, table 1. After you press enter, Google Sheets will reach out, pull in all the data, and fill up your sheet automatically. You'll see it work after a few seconds, sometimes a little longer if the site is big. And don't worry if nothing happens right away, just give it a moment, especially for pages with lots of tables or longer lists. That's it, no paid plugins, no manual copying. You've just saved yourself a ton of tedious work, and anytime the info updates on the website, you can refresh your sheet and see the changes almost instantly. Give this a try with your favorite sites and see what kind of data you can collect or track automatically. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you run into any trouble or have questions about more advanced Google Sheets tricks. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.